If you've been watching our vlog lately, you might be wondering, why are we out here in the countryside? Well, tomorrow morning at 2:30, we're getting up so we can do the sunrise hike of Bluff Knoll. We've never done a sunrise hike before, and we're a bit daunted by the early wake up and also the, I think, 600 or 700 meter elevation gain to get up to one of Western Australia's highest peaks. It's definitely the highest peak of Stirling Ranges, which is here in the southwest of WA. Join us. We're gonna get an early night, but it's gonna be an early wake tomorrow morning. Hopefully we are rewarded with some beautiful views and nice weather, but apparently it also does get freezing cold up there. So fingers crossed and wish us luck. It's 3:23. We're about to start the hike. Feeling good?
Yeah, I'm stressed because we're a bit late. I mean,
we just have to make it up on the hike.
Yeah, I would have wanted to start 10 minutes earlier, but...
And it's cold, so...
Ooh, that was done.
Yeah, we'll see.
Let's go.
Wait, I got an idea.
What? Ooh! I'm lit. We're starting the hike, guys. Got our head torches on, and it's very dark without them.
We're 1.1 kilometers to go. It's been tough, but we're just trying to go slow, maintain our progress. We've been going for about 50 minutes, so if we do the last kilometer in about, what, 30 minutes, we got plenty of time.
Matt had to double up on the backpacks because I was struggling so hard. This is the hardest thing I've ever done.
Oh, no, it's not.
It is. What else would compare to this?
I don't know, Cradle Mountain?
Well, you haven't done that yet.
Yeah, but you have.
No, it's not this hard.
Oh. Walking down, about halfway down I think, maybe a bit less. But now we're getting great views on the way back, so it's good, it's nice.
That was bloody hard. We thought we would get a few clips going up the mountain, but there was none of that. We had to conserve our energy. I was struggling so hard because essentially it's just stairs. So that was bloody hard. I am so proud I did it. And like, you get rewarded with these views.
This is probably the coolest little bridge on the trip, but what I wanted to show you was this grass tree. It grows a centimeter per year, and it's probably what, say 2.5, 3 meters?
Wow.
So it's probably like 300 years old. Just right next to the path.
Wow. And there's another one. That's pretty high too. Yeah, as I was going up, I just kept repeating to myself, I'm gonna make it to the summit. I'm gonna make it to the summit. If you can, you must. And that helped me to get through it. Plus Matt was my hype man. He's like, you can do it, babe. You can do it. I also had to snap at him a few times because I was just so exhausted. And I was like, stop! Stop! I'm fainting! I didn't actually faint. I just felt a little bit lightheaded at stages. What a wild ride.
Someone's wrote on the rock here, take it, you'll need it, and pointing down to the seat. And then someone else wrote, God, you were right.
Oh, that's funny. See, I told you hikes need benches.
You and your bloody bench. Look what
There
I
it
found.
is.
There it is, the bench. Well, a bench.
The only bench on this hike.
Oh my god, someone broke in. Your stuff is everywhere.
I was looking for my beanie. And we were running out of time. Oops.
Okay, so it's now the end of the day. We drove about 4.5 hours to get here to Esperance.
Yeah.
And then we had about a 2-hour nap because we were so wrecked after the hike.
So smashed.
But we just wanted to finish with one thing, and that is, was it worth it?
I think it definitely was worth it. Even though we had to get up at 2:30, it was such an experience, and I've always wanted to do a sunrise hike, and that one was so challenging, but also so rewarding when we were up the top. So yeah, I would definitely do it again. I think I would only do it for sunrise.
But what would happen though if you got up there and it was completely cloudy?
Oh, definitely check the weather forecast. Like if
Yeah.
if it says it's a cloudy day, don't do it because you're not going to see the sunrise and you're going to have a miserable time and you won't be rewarded with a beautiful sunrise, so it won't be worth it. So check the weather, and if it seems to be a clear day, definitely do it. Get up early enough so that you don't miss the sunrise as well, because we did see a few people that arrived just after sunrise and they looked very disappointed. So
Or you would be, because they would
Yeah.
have got up really early
yeah,
and they just didn't make it for that critical moment.
yeah,
And it didn't last long either.
yeah. Sunrises are like super quick. So
Yeah. Do it early or don't do it.
okay, we'll catch you in the next video, which will be Esperance.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Spoiler alert, it's beautiful.
That's gonna ruin the audio. Get up at. We're
I don't know where we can cut. I can't. I got a hole in my pants. What?